We'll take 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour 35 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, everybody. Sukhasan, Siddhasan, right leg on top, or Padmasan. Keep your back straight, head straight, neck straight. Today, we are going to do our normal class, what we take every day here, and what our other people all over India and other places go through. We don't do the full session due to time factor. So today, as a special class, we will do the full program, which will take about 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour 35 minutes. Okay, so everybody, keep your back straight, neck straight, head straight, Dhyana Mudra, tip of your finger. Keep inhale and chant Om 3 times. Om. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Gurave Sarva Lokanam, Visajaya Bhava Roginam, Nidaye Sarva Vidyanam, Sri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamritat. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavati Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, everybody up on your toes. We will do 12 yogic jogging exercises. Okay, link your fingers first. Tadasana. Tad means palm tree. Inhale and up. And stretch. Hold for a few seconds. Exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Turn your palms up. When your hand reaches top position, exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Okay, keep your legs slightly apart. Trayak Tadasana. Inhale and exhale. Bend sideways fully, keep your hands straight. Inhale and up and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. 3 times each side. 3 bar. Okay. Next, yogic jogging. Nicely shake your hands. Straighten your arms. Deep inhalation, inhale and exhale. Hands on your hips. Nicely bend your legs. And knee in front of you, inhale and up, exhale and down. Now keep your legs slightly apart, in line with your hips. One half sit. Inhale and exhale. Very good for blood circulation. Okay, spread your legs. Dandasana, exhale and inhale. Hanuman Dand. Exhale. Those if you can go fully down, you can go fully down. So do as much as you can. Or sideways. Bend, inhale and look up. Run around without changing your leg. Inhale and up. Okay, good. Now hands in front of you. Inhale and back. Exhale and forward. Sasandha, Sarva. Can do 3 times, 5 times. Completely expand your lungs. Jump and spread your leg. Trikonasana. Exhale. And rub your leg from knee to ankle. Keep your other hand straight. Inhale and up. Exhale. सांस बाहर. Trikonasana. Inhale. Again. Okay, good. Keep your legs apart. Now Konasana. Inhale deeply. Exhale and touch your toes. Look at your upper palm. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, good. Now Pada Hastasana. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Again up and down. Again inhale and up. Exhale and down. Those who have back pain, don't bend fully. You can bend half. Next. Jumping and clapping. Okay, good. Next, yogic dance. Keep your hands straight. Keep your head straight. Hands to one side, legs opposite side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, good. You can do 9 times, 11 times like that. Next. Dhruvasana. And relax. Other leg. Breathe normally. Hold the position, breathe normally. And relax. Okay, next. Surya Namaskar. First, Pranamasana, exhale. Urdhva inhale. Pada exhale. Dakshinashva Sanchalasana. Left leg back, right knee between your arms, inhale and look up. Bend backwards. Then again, right leg back, Parvatasana, exhale. Sashtang Namaskar, neutral. Inhale and up, Bhujangasana. Again, exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Vama Ashwa Sanchalasana. Inhale and look up. Then Parvatasana, exhale. Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale. Pranamasana, exhale. Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Everybody relax. India is becoming hot. Okay. Sukhasana. If you're breathing fast, I've told you, take deep inhalation through the nose. Exhale through your mouth. नाक से सांस अंदर, मुंह से सांस बाहर. Do this 5-6 times and your breathing will come to normal. Okay. Sukhasana. Siddhasana is right leg on top. Padmasana, both legs on top. Right leg inside, left leg outside. Okay. Keep your back straight, neck straight, head straight. Dhyana mudra. Inhale, nice deep inhalation. And as long as possible, chant Om. Long exhalation. When you chant Om, you are exhaling also. सांस बाहर निकल रहा है. Vastrika Pranayama. Okay. Our first pranayama exercise. Vastrika Pranayama. Deep and rapid breathing. Deep breathing, little rapid. Should do for 5 minutes, 5 minutes every day. Small smile on your face. Inhale 2.5 seconds, exhale 2.5 seconds. 2.5 seconds सांस अंदर, 2.5 seconds सांस बाहर. Like that. I'm exaggerating a little so that you understand what I'm trying to do. Otherwise, breathe in deeply, breathe out. When you breathe in, your stomach should swell. Okay, don't pull your stomach in. Stomach in, chest out is not the right method. When you breathe in yogic breathing, the stomach comes out, swells. पेट फूलता है हल्का सा. When you exhale, the stomach goes in. Inhale and exhale. एक दो तीन अंदर, एक दो तीन बार. Nicely, nice, strong. Fill your lungs with air. Vastrika pranayam takes care of 247 diseases. 247 बीमारियों का समाधान. Vastrika pranayam. In your heart of hearts, thank the Almighty for having given us this human birth. Thank our parents for having given us birth. And thank the Guru for leading us through this wonderful path of yoga and pranayam. एक दो तीन अंदर, एक दो तीन बार. Okay, relax everybody. Keep your eyes closed. Enjoy what you've done for a few seconds. Okay, relax. Next, Kapalabhati, Sarvaroga Nashini. Everybody, every day, healthy body should do for 15 minutes. If you have any problems, one has to do for longer time. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Major problems, even 1 hour. Can be done morning and evening. So, झट से बाहर छोड़े. Exhale suddenly, forceful exhalation. Breathe out suddenly. And do not breathe in. Automatically air will go in. Passive inhalation. Intensity, medium intensity. Frequency 1 second, 1 stroke per second. Those with BP or heart problems can do
a little slower and with lower, slightly lower intensity, medium to low intensity. Very low intensity is of no use, okay? Kapalabhati to be done on empty stomach only, khali pet mein hi karne ka hai. Any liquid food, half an hour before. Solid food, 5 hours before. Okay? So morning is the best time you can do Kapalabhati. Or evening, 5 hours after meals. Any liquid intake, coffee, tea, milk, health drink, whatever can be half an hour before. $1,547 diseases taken care of by this pranayama, prevented or cured. 1,547 बीमारियों का समाधान. And we are telling with proof, not just like that. Keep doing and listening. So my entire suggestion to all of you, some of you, that day our last survey, 30% are doing every day. I would request all 100% to do every day. And those who started, did for 6-7 months, got the benefits and thought they are cured and stopped. I don't want to name anybody. Please restart your pranayama. Pranayam, pranayam. Pran means life. And as I've explained before, breath is the first food for the body. Pran wahi hai, life wahi hai, breathing, breath. That is why it's called pranayam. Our first food for the body is breathing, not food, not water, all that is secondary. First food for the body is breathing. So my sincere request and advice to everybody, please do your pranayams every day. It doesn't matter if you don't go for a walk. It doesn't matter if you don't walk on the treadmill. Actually, treadmill is dangerous for the knees. Many of you I know will have treadmill in the house, but then घुटनों के लिए treadmill has been found to be treacherous. "40 minutes of pranayam that we are going to do today is equivalent to 10 kilometers of walking. 10 kilometers, approximately 6 miles. Half an hour of gym, all the weightlifting, all the treadmill, everything, cycling on the gym. And equivalent to 40 minutes of aerobics. And this we are telling with proof, with research and major research done, including with some major universities in the US. Like Harvard School of Medicine, MIT, California, University of Texas, and many. You can do the pranayam before you go for your morning walk. You can do pranayam after your morning walk also. But do the pranayam. 5 minutes Bastrika, 15 minutes Kapalbhati. That we are doing today. That is 900 strokes. 1 stroke per second, 60 strokes per minute, 300 strokes in 5 minutes, 600 stroke in 10 minutes, and 900 strokes in 15 minutes. If you're short of time, at least do for 10 minutes, 600 strokes. Entire digestive system. Bastrika takes care of the respiratory system, entire respiratory system, lungs, throat, the breath going through the body. Kapalabhati takes care of the entire digestive system, full stomach region. Stomach, large intestines, small intestines, pancreas, liver, kidney, gallbladder, spleen, urinary bladder, and the entire reproductive systems, both male and female. And subsequently, Anulom Vilom takes care of the entire central nervous system. One stroke per second. Minimum module, if you have to do for 5 minutes, that is 300 strokes without stopping. You feel tired, you can stop after 5 minutes. Give a small break. Of course, most of you are now veterans. All of you are doing now. So I don't think any of you will have a problem doing for 15 minutes. As I was saying, you have done this, you have some benefits. Some people sinus problem has gone. Some people gastric problem has gone. Some people, maybe some of you have become, BP has been cured. Diabetic sugar levels have come down. So don't think, now I have done, I'm okay now, so I can stop. The things will start again after a few months. Cannot be after a few weeks also. Give 1.5 hours for your body every day. Amongst 24 hours, most of us are senior citizens, maybe or most of us are retired. So I'm sure we can give the body 1.5 hours every day out of 24 hours. Rest, 22.5 hours, you can do whatever you want, sleep, eat, enjoy, work, whatever. You can't say, oh, I am busy, I am doing this job, I am doing that job. Imagine, in Hindi कहावत है, ओ मेरे को सांस लेने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है. अच्छा भैया सांस मत लो, तुम बाकी काम करो. How long will you live if you don't breathe? So schedule your day in such a way that you give 1.5 hours to the body. If you're very busy, if not 1.5 hours, at least 1 hour. This is the temple, okay? Body is the temple as per our philosophy. Not the temple that is built in all stone and structure and we go everywhere. Those are all symbolic. The first temple, our duty is to this temple. This body is the temple. And the Atma inside is part of the Paramatma. So our first duty is to this temple to maintain. In a temple, we are maintaining it very clean, no? Inside at least. We try to keep it clean, saaf, sudra, try to keep the idol happy by doing abhisheks. What about this temple? We ignore, we do anything. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, pura khel raha hai andar. Achar, khatai, chai, coffee. Pura andar khelo, sab kuch. Still the poor body tries to somehow manage to take in everything. So our first duty is to this temple, maintain that. If you maintain healthy mind and a healthy body, if your body is healthy, your mind is healthy. Also, healthy body with a healthy mind. If your mind is healthy, your body is healthy. And that can be achieved only through yoga and pranayam. Pranayam is part of yoga. Ashtanga yoga ka part is pranayam. Keep doing and listening. As I've told you before, Ashtanga yoga. What is Ashtanga yoga? It's the 8 paths of yoga to reach so-called nirvana. Chitta vriddhi nirodha. Chit ka vriddhi nirodha. Yoga comes from the word yug or yuj. Yuj means to join. To join what? The body, mind, and the soul. Soul or Atma. Actually, the English word soul doesn't really. There's no real translation in English for the word Atma. Sharir, man, or chit, or buddhi. शरीर मन और आत्मा तीनों का मिलन. If all three are in balance, then you have no diseases, no problems. Of course, the Atma is a silent personality. It gives the life, the pran, of course, no doubt. No Atma, no life. Apart from joining the body, mind, and soul, so to say, or Sharir, Man, or Atma, once it joins, then it also joins the Atma to the Param Atma. In our philosophy, the Atma is part of the Paramatma. Paramatma is God or Bhagwan or whoever we call, the ultimate supreme being. योग करोगे निरोग रहोगे. करो योग रहो निरोग. छोड़ दो योग और बनो रोगी. भोगी एंड रोगी दोनों गड़बड़ है. Okay, everybody relax. Just keep your eyes closed. Enjoy what you have done for the last 15 minutes. Okay, open your eyes. Now full twist. One hand behind your back, one hand on your opposite knee. Inhale and exhale. Again inhale and exhale. Full twist. पूरा मुड़ के देखें. Inhale and exhale. Okay, good. Next, Bahya Pranayam. Bahya means Bahar. Okay, remember Kapalabhati, Bahya Pranayam, Agnisar, to be done on empty stomach. Also, may not be true, applicable to all of you, but for knowledge, if you are telling somebody younger, should not be done during pregnancy and should not be done during periods. 3 pranayams. Rest of the pranayam should be done even during period, Bastrika, Anulom Vilom, etc. And of course during pregnancy. So Kapalabhati, Bahya Pranayam, Agnisar, गर्भ का टाइम में नहीं करना चाहिए और पीरियड्स का टाइम में नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, ऑलराइट. एक्सेल, सांस बाहर. Pull your stomach in and 3 locks. Mooladhara band, tighten your anus. Uddiyana band, tighten your stomach. Jalandhara band, tighten your throat and bend your head completely. Hold for, try to hold without breathing for 15 seconds or 10 seconds, as much as you can. And relax, automatically air will go in. Again, 3 times, 3 बार करने का. Exhale. मूल बंद, उद्यान बंद, जलंधर बंद. And relax. Once again, exhale. सांस बाहर, पेट अंदर. मूल बंद, उद्यान बंद, जलंधर बंद. And relax. Completely exercises along with Kapalbhati. All the organs in the mid region of the body. Also increases your strength. You don't have to go to the gym and pump iron and lift weights. You do Bahya Pranayam, you can do more number of times, 5 times, 7 times. It makes your body strong without pumping iron. So all those in favor of the argument that I go for a walk, so I don't do pranayam, please go for a walk, but don't miss your pranayam. If you don't have time, do pranayam, not walk. Yogic jogging exercises will do the necessary loosening up and blood circulation for the body. And then do your pranayam. Okay, next, Agnisar, exhale and pump your stomach without breathing, 20 to 40 strokes. पूरा सांस बाहर छोड़ के पेट को पंप करें 20 से 40 स्ट्रोक बिना सांस लिए. And relax. If you are any newcomer, if you are not able to do 40 strokes, doesn't matter, you can build up slowly. Increase every 2 days, increase by 5 strokes, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, etc. Okay, next. Ujjayi Pranayam, very important. Very simple, but very powerful exercise. Tighten your throat and inhale with noise. Hold your breath inside for 15 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. Bend your throat, Jalandhara Bandh, and hold your breath. Straighten your neck, Close your right nostril, exhale through left nostril. बायां नासिका से सांस बाहर छोड़ें. Again inhale. Jalandhara band. Exhale through your left nostril. Once more, inhale and hold for 10 to 15 seconds minimum. Close your right nostril, exhale through left nostril. And relax. Straighten your legs. Kavita ji, if you can't see me properly, just tell me. Okay, straighten your legs, both hands beside your hips, fingers pointing backwards. ऐसा बैठिए with fingers pointing backwards, hands beside your hips. Those who can't can keep it a little back, but try to keep your back straight. Come on, अच्छा से shake your leg. अच्छा से पाँव को हिलाएं, पाँव को थोड़ा पंप करें. Each leg separately and then both legs. Okay, keep both your feet together, open and close your toes. Okay, keep both your feet together and rotate. One direction, opposite direction. Keep your legs slightly apart and try to touch your toes to the floor. Okay, now rotate both your feet, ankles in opposite directions, outside in, बाहर से अंदर की तरफ, and opposite direction, inside out. Okay, now keep both your legs straight, tighten your knees. घुटनों को टाइट करें. Pumping action. Okay, now keep your leg across. Press all your toe tips and joints, all acupressure points. Okay. अपना ये उंगलियों को ऊपर दबाएं, ये joints में दबाएं. I've told you this is your eyes, this is your lungs, this is your liver on the right side, heart on the left side, and this joint here for the ears. हाथ में भी same. Eyes, यहाँ पे lungs, right hand में liver, यहाँ थोड़ा नीचे, left hand में heart, and of course again this joint here is for the ears, all ear problems. Okay, you can press and then finally press your center point, kidney. ये भी इधर भी, this kidney. Okay, press nicely. Press your calf muscles. See, I can't tell you all these exercises during our classes because we are short of time. I teach you slightly different things on different days. Today is a full program. Okay, hold your toes and rotate. One direction, opposite direction. Okay, keep your feet on your thigh. Inhale and up, full. Exhale and down. Nicely. Nicely press. It's also known as half butterfly. Other leg. Press your toe joints nicely. Aisa can press this region of your legs also. I've told you same thing here. Hands, here sides. Here, this is thyroid, this mound. Here slightly below is the stomach. This side pancreas. Center point kidney. Always press the center point in the end. Last में center point press करिए, both hand and feet for activation of kidneys. Okay, press your calf muscle. अच्छा से दबाएं. Hold your feet and rotate. One direction, opposite direction, feet on your thigh. Inhale and up, exhale and down. सांस अंदर, सांस बाहर. Okay, now both your legs together, butterfly. Link your fingers and pump your legs. Nicely. Okay, straighten your legs. Either you can keep your legs straight or you can sit in Sukhasana, whichever is more comfortable to you. Keep your hands straight, in line with your shoulders. Inhale and pull your fingers back. Hold for a few seconds. Other hand. Nicely flex your fingers. I'll be back, 1 minute. I'll be back. Hey, wait. Hop, 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 hop. All right. Sorry, there is a cat which troubles us. Okay, flex your fingers. Put your thumb inside, close it with your fingers. Keep it straight and rotate. Wrist must touch, knuckles must touch. The Shanmugam, carpenter. Phone pan India. Phone pan opposite direction. Inhale and exhale. Five fingers on your shoulders. Exhale. One direction, opposite direction. Okay, hold your wrist, take it behind your shoulders, keep your head and neck straight, inhale and pull, exhale and center. Inhale and pull, exhale and center. 3 times, 3 baar kariye. If you have any shoulder pain, etc., you can do more number of times. Okay, link your fingers. These are all exercises for neck pain, spondylitis, frozen shoulders, frozen neck, pain in the neck. Okay, inhale and press simultaneously. अच्छा से दबाएं, सांस लेते. Side of the head, other side. Link your fingers, inhale and press. Okay, now your shoulder exercise. Inhale and up, exhale and down. Nicely rotate, forward direction. सामने की तरफ घुमाएं अच्छा से कंधों को, वन डायरेक्शन, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, पीछे की तरफ। ओके, देन neck exercise, inhale and back, exhale and forward. One direction, opposite direction. Okay, sit straight. Now your eye exercise, aankh. Keep your head and neck straight and rotate your eyes. One direction, opposite direction. Okay, good. Now next, Sukhasan, Siddhasan or Padmasan. अनुलोम विलोम 15 मिनट्स, 15 मिनट करने का है। मिनिमम मॉड्यूल 5 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट एटलीस्ट कंटिन्यूअस। ऐसा नहीं कि हम 2 मिनट कर लेगा, हम 7 मिनट कर लेगा, नो। मिनिमम मॉड्यूल इज 5 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट करने का है मिनिमम। कैन टेक रेस्ट इफ यू फील टायर्ड एंड अगेन डू 5 मिनट्स लाइक दैट। 15 मिनट्स यू कैन डू कंटिन्यूअसली। मोस्ट ऑफ यू आई एम नाउ, आप लोग सब आई एम श्योर कर सकते हैं। फॉर एनी न्यू कमर्स or just to refresh your memory. Left hand dhyana mudra, back straight, neck straight, head straight, पीठ सीधा, गर्दन सीधा, सर सीधा। दायां नासिका को दायां अंगूठा से बंद करें। Anybody doing with the left hand, please remember, do with your ring and middle finger, inhale through left nostril only. बायां नासिका से सांस स्टार्ट करके ही करने का है, must. Okay, close your right nostril, inhale through left nostril. Close your left nostril, exhale through right nostril. Inhale through right nostril, exhale through left nostril. One cycle, left in, right out, right in, left out. Okay, good. करिए everybody, come on. 1 2 3 4 अंदर, 1 2 3 4 बाहर। Come on, पीठ सीधा, गर्दन सीधा, सर सीधा। 1 2 3 4 अंदर, 1 2 3 4 बाहर। Left in, right out, right in, left out. पीठ सीधा, गर्दन सीधा, सर सीधा. गीता जी करिए. पीठ सीधा, गर्दन सीधा, सर सीधा. Left in, right out. Right in, left out. अनुलोम विलोम सर्वरोग निवारिणी, सब रोगों का निवारण करने वाला. सर्वरोग निवारिणी, क्यूरर ऑफ ऑल डिजीजेस. One, two, three, four in. 1, 2, 3, 4 out. Left in, right out. Right in, left out. Anulom Vilom. Ideally, you should do for 15 minutes minimum every day. Those with BP should do minimum 18 minutes, 18 minutes. You can't do it, you're short of time, do for 10 minutes. Okay, relax everybody. Make sure you breathe out through your left nostril before you stop. बायां नासिका से सांस बाहर छोड़ के ही रोकने का है, बीच साइकिल में नहीं बंद करिए. Do not stop in between cycles. Okay, relax, keep your eyes closed, enjoy what you've done for a few seconds. कुछ क्षण के लिए जो किया उसका अनुभव करें. Okay. Lift your right hand, inhale and up, bend your elbows, exhale and pull. Left hand up, exhale and pull. Okay. Forefinger on your forehead. Next three exercises, Bhamri, Udgit, Prana. 3 बार Bhamri, 3 बार Udgit, that is chanting of Om and 1 minute of silence. बीच में आंख न खोलें. Do not open your eyes in between. Okay. Forefinger on your forehead, 3 fingers between your eyes and nose. Close your ears from outside. बाहर से पूरा बंद करके आवाज के साथ मुंह बंद रखिए. आवाज के साथ सांस बाहर छोड़ें. 1 minute of silence, complete silence. सब अपना अपना इष्ट देवता पे ध्यान करें. Okay, raise your hands and rub your palms. Nicely generate heat. Cup your palms, spit on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and bring your palms down your cheeks. Okay. Now your ear exercise. Inhale, close your nostril with your thumb and forefinger and pump your ears from inside. And exhale. Again inhale. And exhale. Once more inhale. And exhale. Okay, good. Now everybody relax. Shavasana. Chalo, favorite asana. सब लेट जाएं. Lie down everybody. Keep your legs 1.5 feet apart. Palm 1.5 foot दूर. Keep your palm 1 foot away from the body. हथेली 1 फुट दूर पे शरीर से. खुला हुआ आसमान के तरफ. Keep your palms open, facing the roof or sky. Put your body to sleep part by part, starting with your right toes. Relax. Relax right calf, ankle. Relax right calf muscle. Relax right knee. Relax right thigh. Relax right hip. Relax your left toes. Relax left ankle. Relax left calf muscle. Relax left knee. Relax left thigh. Relax left hip. Relax your waist and lower back. कमर और पीठ का नीचे भाग पूरा रिलैक्स करे. Relax stomach. Relax back. Relax chest. Relax both your shoulders. Relax your biceps. Relax elbows. Relax forearm. Relax your wrists. Relax your palm and fingers. Relax your neck. Relax your throat. Relax your chin. Relax your face. Relax forehead and relax your head. Your body is fully relaxed. Keep your mind blank. No thoughts, no emotions, and relax completely. Okay, raise your hands and rub your palms. Generate heat, cup your palms, put it on your eyes. Slowly bring your palms down your cheeks. Put your left hand on the floor, fingers pointing backwards. Turn to your left, pura baएं taraf convert le. Put your right palm beside your chest. Inhale and get up. Okay. Come on, everybody, spread your legs, touch your toes, Konasana. Okay, now keep both your legs together, link your fingers, Chakki Asana. Inhale and back, exhale and forward. Saas andar, saas bahar. Try to cross your toes 3 times. One direction, opposite direction. Inhale and back, pura piche jaiye, and exhale and forward. The farther you go back, easier to cross your toes. Okay, very good. Now come on, everybody on your knees, Vajrasana. Those who can't do and can do in Sukhasana. Okay, Mandukasana. Flex your fingers, put your thumb inside, close it with your fingers, lock your knuckles. Pura saas baar chhod ke exhale. Press your stomach, bend forward, put your head down. As far as possible, slightly lift your, straighten your head and look ahead. Inhale and up. Again exhale, saas baar. Press. Bend, hold for a few seconds. Inhale and up. Once more, 3 times, 3 बार करिएगा. The faster version. Of course, slower version you can hold for a long time. I have taught you that also. Inhale and up. Okay, left palm and your right palm. Exhale, pura 7 बार. Press, bend forward. Inhale and back. Again exhale. Inhale and up. Once more. Press, bend forward. Inhale and back. Next, Sashankasan. Shashank means rabbit. Inhale and exhale. Pura, put your forehead on the floor, elbows on the floor, hold for a few seconds. Inhale and up. And relax. Next, Vakrasan. Keep your right leg straight. Bend your left knee. Take your left hand behind you, fingers pointing backwards. Left knee, right hand, opposite hand. Bring it across your knee and put it on your right knee or attempt to turn towards your back hand. Pura exhale completely. Saal bahar. Inhale and up. Exhale and up. Other leg. Inhale and up. Exhale. Pura saal bahar. And exhale. Next. Gomukhasan. Try to put one heel behind under your body, other heel beside your hip, knee on top of knee. This hand from the top, whichever knee is on top, that goes hand goes from the top, other hand behind you. Keep your back and neck straight and relax. Then your other leg and other hand. And relax. Good. Next, Makarasan. Makar means magarmach, crocodile. Put your chin and your palms, elbows close to each other. Bend your right leg. Inhale and bend, exhale and straighten. Alternate legs. Try to touch your heel to your buttocks. Back pain, lumbago, sciatica. सबके लिए समाधान. Hip pain, कमर में दर्द, पीठ में दर्द. सबके लिए समाधान. कमर में पकड़, पीठ में पकड़. Okay, now both legs together, keep your toes together, inhale and bend, exhale and straighten. 3 times. Those with back pain and kamar pain should do this for many number of times. Okay. Now Bhujangasana, both hands beside your chest. Keep your legs flat on the floor, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Put your left palm under your chest, right palm over your left palm. Bhujangasana, second exercise. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Again. सांस अंदर पूरा ऊपर देखें. Inhale and look up. Exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Next, Salabhasana. Put both your palms under your thighs, palms touching your thighs. Inhale and lift your right leg. Exhale and down. Left leg up and down. Once more, right leg up. 30 to 45 degrees without bending your knee. Exhale and down. Again, left leg up and down. And relax. Put your left palm under your forehead. Right palm over your left palm and relax. Put your forehead on the back of your palm and relax. Okay, open your eyes, turn on your back. Markatasana. Markat means monkey. Okay, keep your hands straight. Perpendicular, T position to your body. Don't keep it down like this and don't keep it up like this. Keep it exactly in line with your shoulders. Ekdam T position mein, like a T. Both your knees together, both your ankles together. Markatasana, first exercise. अच्छा से लंबी लंबी सांस लेते हुए inhale, knee to the right, head to the left. Exhale and center, knee to the left, head to the right. 3 times, 3 बार करिए. Of course, the longer version I taught you, that also can be done, but not regularly. I mean, you can do it every day, provided you have time. Center, left, center and right. Again, center and left. Center and right. Okay. Now, Markatasana, second exercise. Keep your legs slightly apart. 6 to 8 inches feet apart. Again, inhale. Knee to the right, head to the left. Right ankle and knee on the floor. Left ankle on the floor. Right knee on top of your left knee on top of your right ankle. Exhale. Left. Center right. Remember, head opposite side. Knee to the right, head to the left. Inhale, knee to the left, head to the right. 3 times. Okay. Straighten your legs. Markatasana, third exercise. Nataraja. Lift your right leg without bending your knee. Bring your right toe to your left palm. Head opposite side. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Left leg up. Exhale. Saans bahar. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Bring both your palms beside your thighs. Ardha Halasana. First exercise. Inhale and right up. Exhale and down. 3 times. 3 बार करिए. Without bending your knee, lift your leg straight, perpendicular up. सांस लेते हुए टांग ऊपर, सांस छोड़ते हुए टांग नीचे. 3 times. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Up and down. Up and down. Now both legs up. Those without back pain. If you have back pain, don't do with both legs. Exhale and down. Second exercise, inhale and up. Bend your knee, exhale and straighten. Left up, bend and straighten. Right up, bend and straighten. Left up, bend and straighten. Again up, bend, सांस बाहर. Left up, bend, straighten. Both legs up, bend and straighten. Third exercise, bend your right knee, inhale and up. exhale and down. Left bend, up, down. Again, 3 times. Bend, up, down. Bend, up, down. Once more. Bend, inhale and up, exhale and down. Bend your leg in both legs. Inhale and up, exhale and down. Okay, palm beside your thighs. Keep your legs straight. Pavana Muktasana. Inhale and up. Bend your right knee. Link your fingers. Put your knees below your knees. Exhale. Bring your nose to your knees and nose. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Other leg. Inhale and up. Bend your knee. Link your fingers. Exhale. Bring your nose to your knees and hold. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Both legs up. Those without back pain. If you have back pain, just bend your knees and press it to your chest and hold. Others, link your fingers. Exhale, bring your nose to your knees and hold. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Okay, again. Both your palms beside your thighs. Padavritasana. Inhale and rotate your right leg without bending your knee. One direction, opposite, 3, 2, and 1. Left leg, 1, 2, 3. Full O. Opposite, 3, 2, 1. Make a full O with your leg. Both legs, those without back pain. 1, 2, 3. One direction. Opposite, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Again, both palms beside your thighs. Do cycling, Dvichakrasana. One direction, opposite direction. Okay. And relax. Go to Shavasana position. Pura relax kare. For a few minutes, a few seconds. Okay. Inhale and say ah once. Ah. Inhale and say O once. Oh. Put your left hand straight beside your body, turn to your left. Put your right palm beside your chest, inhale and get up. Okay. Now everybody, those who can't sit in Vajrasana, go to Vajrasana. Open your knees. Put both hands. Fingers pointing inwards, Simhasana. Open your eyes fully. Put your tongue out and say ha from the stomach. Swallow and rub your throat. Okay, very good. Now come on, our favorite asana. Everybody, forget all your worries. झूमते हुए मस्ती से throw your hands back and Come on, clap your hands. Up. Nicely, clap hard. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, cha cha cha. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. We come to the end of the program. Everybody relax. We come to Shanti part. Inhale once and say Om. Om. Om Dhyau Shanti. Antariksham Shanti. Prithvi Shanti. Apa Shanti. Aushadaya Shanti. Anaspataye Shanti. Vishve Deva Shanti. Brahma Shanti. Sarvam Shanti. Shantireva Shanti. Sama Shantiredi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Hope all of you are still up and about.